This actually works and it's super crazy. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. Hey guys, what's going on? So today in this guide, I'm going to show you how to get free points on McDonald's. So let's open it and see points 320, press and unlock. Okay, so it's adding the points to my device. So we'll wait for it to add them and we're going to be rich and we're going to be happy. So I'll be able to get as much McDonald's as I want and I can't be stopped by anyone because they don't know that I'm a modder and stuff. So it's just looking real. So it says they were added. So where's the points? All right, no points are added. I'm depressed. Where are the points? Come on. Give me some. Oh my gosh, look at that, guys. The points are going up. So I'm going to show you how to download this right now. So it's easy, bro. Just go onto matrixmods.com. So let me just type that in. Type McDonald's. You're done. Press install, download, whatever. So download verification is the last step. So you have to download 2 apps and follow the instructions, which is 100% free from the official app store. So I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load. So as you can see, it's going to say missing files. So you just want to download some of these, like Family Island. Underdog says down and run for 30 seconds. So that's pretty easy. So just do 2 of them, you're done. So yeah, I'll see you later. But yeah, as long as you do 2 of these apps, which can vary depending on where you live, and you follow instructions, you should get it. So like Travel Town, you gotta reach level 10. So it's pretty easy, guys. So I'll see you later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe. There's also this help. You can watch a video, so that's cool. So I'll see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe.